In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for construction project management in 2025. Let's dive right into setting up your project efficiently and effectively. First, head over to Monday.com and navigate to the templates section. Here you can search for construction or construction management. By selecting a pre-made template like the construction timeline/project planning, you can jumpstart your project setup. However, if you prefer customizing your template, start with a blank board and organize it around the key phases of any construction project. These phases typically include planning and design, permits and approvals, procurement and material ordering, site prep and foundation, continuing all the way through to quality control and inspections, and finally the handover and punch list phase. Once you have your template or custom board, consider leveraging automations, which are powerful tools to streamline workflow. Automations can significantly reduce manual effort and help keep the project moving smoothly. For instance, you can automate notifications for when a task status changes to completed by moving it to a done group, or even when a start date arrives to notify the assigned team member. Automations can also be customized to alert you or your team when there's a budget overspend, or when a task gets delayed, ensuring constant awareness and immediate action when needed. Next, let's talk about utilizing the visual tools available. Turning on the timeline, Gantt, or calendar views can offer a visual representation of your project schedule. Use task dependencies to allow automatic adjustments when any task shifts, and if you have access to the workload view, it can offer insightful data on team member capacity. A dashboard can also be extremely useful for combining data from multiple projects, giving you a comprehensive overview of project statuses, any delays, and budget usage. Managing the budget and resources is vital, and Monday.com can help with that as well. Use formula columns to calculate costs versus the budget and track remaining amounts. For entering actual costs of labor or materials, number or currency columns can be utilized effectively. Integration with accounting tools or importing cost data is a breeze, further aiding in budget management. Dealing with subcontractors and material inventory is crucial in construction projects. Consider creating separate boards for subcontractor and vendor management, linking these to respective project tasks. Having an inventory or procurement board will help you track materials, their statuses, and delivery timelines efficiently. For collaboration and communication, use the updates section on each task to keep your team informed. Share important documents like site drawings and ensure mobile access for field workers. This facilitates real-time updates and the sharing of site photos and notes. Lastly, enhancing your insights with dashboards can help aggregate data across project boards. Whether you're tracking the number of delayed tasks or examining resource load, dashboards equipped with widgets such as charts and timeline views can give a significant overview. Plus, sharing these dashboards with your team, clients, or subcontractors ensures that everyone remains on the same page. And that wraps up our tutorial on using Monday.com for construction project management. By following these steps, you can ensure a well-organized and effective management process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.